Alright, guys. So I'm gonna ride a tornado because it was my dream of riding a tornado. Cause I've never been into one, and I hope it not in real life, but into infinity and beyond. Oh my god! Oh my god! Let's go high. We're gonna go high. 50 feet. That was not 50 feet. Stop yelling! I know you're scared. Sorry, guys. I know you're scared. But alright, get ready, cause we're gonna go high as heck. Oh, poor that guy. Wait, when did he get there? I don't know. Oh my god! Yeah, he's cooked. He's cooked. RP, he's cooked. Oh no, I accidentally left him. Alright, guys. So, enough of that. So, I'll see y'all in the next video, and peace out.